Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk about everything network marketing, affiliate marketing, and using AI to scale your business. If you're serious about using Facebook to grow your network marketing business, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down a powerful Facebook strategy that will help you attract more leads, build stronger relationships, and ultimately close more sales without feeling spammy or chasing friends and family. So grab a notebook because I'm about to give you the step-by-step blueprint for Facebook marketing success. Let's dive in. First things first, why Facebook? With over 3 billion monthly active users, Facebook remains one of the best platforms for building relationships and expanding your network. Unlike other platforms, Facebook is designed for community building, which makes it perfect for network marketing. Here's why Facebook is a goldmine for network marketers. Facebook has a massive audience. You have access to millions of potential customers and business partners. It is relationship-based marketing. Unlike Instagram or TikTok, Facebook allows meaningful conversations and engagement. It has powerful groups and communities. You can build authority inside niche groups and connect with like-minded people. You can use advanced targeting with Facebook ads. If you decide to invest in paid strategies, Facebook ads let you target your ideal customer with laser precision. But here's the problem. Most people use Facebook the wrong way for network marketing. They spam their links, send cold messages, and annoy their friends. That's not what we're going to do. Instead, I'm going to show you a strategy that attracts people to you. Before you start reaching out to people, your Facebook profile needs to be optimized. Think of it like your storefront. It should immediately tell people who you are, what you do, and how you can help them. Here's how to set up your profile for network marketing success. 1. Your profile picture and cover photo. Use a clear, high-quality profile picture, preferably of you smiling and looking professional. Your cover photo should reflect your brand. This could be an image of you in action, a motivational quote, or a simple call to action like, helping ambitious people create passive income online. 2. Your bio and intro section. Keep it short and impactful. For example, write, I help network marketers build their business using Facebook strategies and AI automation. DM me growth to learn more. 3. Feature a link to your funnel or group. If you have a lead magnet, Facebook group, or free training, add it to your profile so people can easily find it. 4. Set your follow button. Change your settings so people can follow you instead of sending friend requests. This lets you grow an unlimited audience. Once your profile is optimized, you're ready for the next step. Now let's get into the real strategy. The 3-step attraction method that will bring leads to you without cold messaging or spamming. If you want people to see you as an expert, you need to create content that provides value, builds trust, and sparks engagement. Here are the 4 types of posts that work best for network marketing. Create personal story posts. Share your journey, struggles, and wins. For example, I used to struggle with making sales until I discovered this simple strategy. Create educational content. Teach something valuable about network marketing, social media growth, or personal development. Also, show off your lifestyle and behind the scenes. Show how your business is impacting your life, but without flashing cash or being salesy. Use engagement and poll posts. Ask questions to spark conversations like, what's your biggest challenge in making money online? Or, if you could start an online business today, what would it be? By mixing these content types, you'll start attracting people who resonate with your message. Now that your content is bringing engagement, it's time to grow your network with the right people. Here's how. Join niche Facebook groups. Find groups where your ideal prospects hang out. Look for network marketing, side hustle, or online business groups. Engage in conversations. Don't just drop links. Instead, leave meaningful comments and provide value. And add new friends strategically. Send friend requests to people who engage with your posts or who you connect with in groups. This way you're building an audience of interested people, not random friends. Now comes the fun part. Turning engagement into leads and sales without being pushy. Here's my direct message strategy that feels natural and not like a cold pitch. Start with a conversation, not a pitch. For example, hey Sarah, I saw your comment on my post about passive income. Have you tried any online businesses before? Ask questions and listen. The key is to understand their struggles and goals. Offer value before pitching. For example, I actually have a free guide on this. Want me to send it over? Only present your offer when they show interest. This makes your direct messages feel like genuine conversations, not desperate sales pitches. Want to scale your results even faster? Here are some bonus tips. Make live videos on Facebook. Live videos build instant trust and authority. Try sharing success tips or answering FAQs. Use Facebook Stories daily testimonials, polls, and behind-the-scenes clips to stay top of mind. Leverage AI for content and automation tools like ChatGPT and ManyChat can help you automate follow-ups and create engaging posts. The most valuable tool I use is SPARKY AI. Imagine having a personal assistant that not only simplifies your Facebook marketing strategy, but also supercharges your results. Meet SPARKY AI, the game-changing tool designed to take your network marketing efforts to the next level. With SPARKY AI, you can automate lead generation, follow-ups, and even retargeting campaigns across Facebook and other social platforms. Here's how it works. SPARKY AI identifies highly motivated prospects, engages them with personalized drip sequences, and retargets them with precision. Whether it's through tailored ads, conversational AI calls, or SMS follow-ups, SPARKY AI ensures no lead is left behind. But that's not all. SPARKY AI integrates seamlessly with your Facebook marketing funnels, creating engaging landing pages and multi-step funnels that guide prospects through a customer journey designed to convert. It's like having a 24/7 marketing team working tirelessly to grow your network and income streams. So, if you're looking to maximize your Facebook strategy and achieve hands-free duplication, SPARKY AI is your ultimate partner. Let SPARKY AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on building relationships and expanding your business. If you want to learn more about SPARKY AI, just click the link in the description below. By following these steps, you'll attract the right people, build trust, and grow your network marketing business on Facebook the smart way. Alright, that wraps up today's video on the ultimate Facebook strategy for network marketing success. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and drop a comment below with the word Facebook. If you're ready to apply this strategy, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications because I drop new videos every week to help you grow your business online. See you in the next video. Let's crush it. God bless.